G'day! In today's video I'm opening up a CAT S42 H Plus, and what I'm wanting to do is swap a mainboard into it. So here I've got an existing CAT phone. As you can see, we're not looking healthy, and as we also can see, they may be CAT, but they're made by a company that I cannot actually pronounce. Bliat Mobile Limited, made in China. But anyway, let's get onto the CAT phone. So this one is a brand new one. So the only way I was able to get any information for these, or get parts for these, is a whole new phone. Customers claimed it under insurance. We're going to swap the mainboard into here, and from there their information will be fine. And what we're going to need here is a T4 screwdriver. This one here I'm going to use. Phillips head screwdriver, pry tool, and probably a flathead screwdriver. And with that, we should be able to get in. So to begin with, take out all the T4 screws. All the T4 screws are of the same length. We have one, we have two on the top, two on the bottom. Actually, each side has, sides have 3 each, top and bottom have 2, should make a total of 10. Sadly, I haven't come across many spare parts available for these. Assumably AliExpress would have them. Maybe some other phone repair places do, but being they're such a niche phone, then there's usually very few parts available. This is about the third or fourth one of these that I've seen. First one that I've seen actually damaged, which it got run over. I always find that even though they say they're tough, running over large drops still going to destroy a phone. So I believe this is what Telstra is selling now. Telstra is a phone provider in Australia. Telstra is selling them at this exact point in time in 2023 in place of the Telstra Tough Max, Telstra Dave phones that they used to have of yonder. Yeah, I should be able to get the SIM tray out from here. Nope. There we go, take that out, put that aside. Yeah, that one up from there, they go up there. As well, pry it open just a little bit. No, it's been stubborn. Need to push in, if it lets me back in. In and twist. Twist, twist, twist. There we go. Keep prying. Keep prying around. Whoop, try not to bump your buttons too much. There we go. Get them back in there. Yep. Next up from here, these will come off. Now all these screws here are of the same length. Good boy. Goodbye moisture indicator. Go, should be able to lift this up. Got one more screw near the camera. Go, lift that off. Then from here I want to disconnect the battery. Just slide my fingernail under there and lifting up. 2, 3. I do see a model number down here, V500AE V1.0, 2019-12-26. So we aren't exactly a new phone, that's for sure. One screw, 2 screw. These ones are different. disconnect the antenna cable, disconnect the audio jack and the buttons over on the side here. From there I can pry it up, disconnect the camera. Bit of luck, and that should lift up and out. Now, new board unused, I'll put out of the way. And I'll put a scribble on here. I'll put that aside. Grab the replacement one. Now here, I suspect this will have a serial number on it, which I'm going to want to swap with the one that I have just grabbed. Yep. IMEI numbers on there. So now I've got the matching card for the matching mainboard. Then I should be able to lift up most of these connectors, feed it in. Go like so. Pull this one out of the way. Go. A little bit stubborn. Connect up battery. Connect up charger. Connect up screen. Connect up rear facing camera. Yep. Connect up 3.5mm jack. Next up is the antenna. It's a little bit tricky, you got to line it up just over the top and then push down. Should click in like that. Next difficult one will be the connector over here, which is for the buttons on the side there. Should be able to fold it over, feed it in, like so. Pull the latch down, lock it in. 1, 2, 3. Next up, these two screws. One goes here. One goes down near the antenna. So that's all I need to do on this one. So the batteries themselves do look replaceable. Might as well show you some model numbers. We have TPJ22J1S2, also model number 596266. There you go. More details down here. There you go. Now we should be able to put this back over the top. Put these screws back in. The one with the white sticker went down the bottom corner here. Not that they matter, they all are all of the same length. Okay. It's a matter of putting all these screws back in. So as I said, I'm only with this one, all I was doing was swapping over the mainboard. I had no need to do anything else further on this particular model of phone. As I said, this seems to have taken over the Telstra Tough Max series. Telstra Dave is the tough phones in most of the Australian phone world. Granted, you're not getting iPhone or Samsung Galaxy S series tiers of performance, but not everyone is after them. For the price they ask for these, they'd want to be somewhat decent. But then again, phone prices seem to have gotten worse in the last 2 years. And now we're pretty much good to put the back cover on. All the screws are in. Click, 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 click. And now it's a matter of putting in all these T4 screws, all 10 of them. So they tried to magnetize my screwdriver and it has failed. So this is going to be annoying to put these ones in. But you get the idea. So proceed to put them all back in, and hopefully, if you have a bit of luck, swapping the mainboard. Eventually parts will probably come out onto the market for these. Maybe, maybe not. Granted, these got manufactured late 2019, December 2019. It's now been 3 years, or at least 2. And there's not really that many spare parts for it. Granted, I wasn't looking under the original manufacturer's model number. I was looking under the CAT number, which is the rebadged number. So I'm curious to see if I look up the model number, what I see under that. Anyway, have a good day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.